Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick tutorial how to do the little arms for my bear in a flower costume. So for the arms, what we're going to be learning in this tutorial today is how to make the leaves. We are using the croc stitch to make the leaves, or also known as the dragon scale. It looks a little bit intimidating, but it's actually much easier than it looks. We will also be using that stitch for the flower petal that will be in the next tutorial. So first, let's get started with the leaves for the arms. You have made your arm. To help you to find which front loop was left behind on the back loop on the third row of the arms, I added stitch markers. You don't need to if you can see them. If you have trouble seeing your front loop, definitely put your stitch marker in. So how are you gonna start? You're gonna make sure that your arm is facing away from you. So here is the magic circle. This is the last round. You want the magic circle to be facing away from you, and you want to make sure that the front loops are facing upwards. That is very important for the first round of the croc stitch we're making today. So let's start by pulling up a loop, do your slip knot, attach your yarn to the very first front loop right here. You're going to slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 counts as a stitch. It counts as a double crochet. Then you're going to do a double crochet in the next, just like this. Again, the magic circle is facing away from you. You will not chain. You will turn your work. So you see how you have your 2 double crochet, your chain as a double crochet plus your other double crochet. Turn your work. We're going to work around the first post. So you see right here, the first post, you're going to put in 5 double crochet. So insert from the back to the front. The post you can see is in the middle. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have 5 double crochet. So don't forget, that's how we started. Now we're working, we do chain 2, and we're gonna work on the other post right here next to it. So you keep rotating your leaf as you're making it. And then we add 5 double crochet through this post too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is how your leaf looks. Then do a little slip stitch and a chain 1. You're going to cut your yarn, and you want where we did the chain 2 to be facing the same way as the magic circle, downwards, as it creates your leaf. You will do the exact same one for the other side and for the other arms. And that is how you create the leaves for the arms. Very simple. Make sure to take your time, pause the video, rewind. Well, you got this. If you have any questions making the leaves, feel free to comment or send me a message on my Instagram, Crocodile Creations, and I will gladly help you if you have any type of questions. So I appreciate you guys for watching. and make sure to subscribe if you want to be notified for new tutorials and free patterns coming your way. And like, comment, and share. That would help the channel a lot, and I appreciate you guys. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.